Can't believe I grabbed these for $40 for my kiddo. These are freaking fire. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, hitting up another mall. Cause I got a little return to make. So yeah, hitting up one of the local malls. Let's go. Northridge Mall. I just walked right over to Auntie Anne's and it smells so freaking good. Holy cow. I swear they purposely pump out that smell to make it smell so freaking good. All right, let's go to the shoe palaces where I need to make a return on some of the shorts I bought. Hopefully they have the size I need. All right, I bought some of these black shorts and these fit hella big. So even a large doesn't fit me. These are like the only shorts where large doesn't fit. Usually I wear large on everything. Have to go down to a medium on these for myself and my kiddo, but they don't have black here. They got shorts everywhere. Is this the one that I got? Oh, these are different. These feel different. What the hell? Yeah, man, these are different. They don't have a medium anyways. Dang it. They got a bunch of other ones. They got $10 for these, $20 for those. They got Lakers fitted hats. These are pretty dope. $20 for these fitted hats. Pretty fire. This is my size right here. I don't really need hats with flowers on them, but you know. Oh, okay, these didn't have flowers. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, 7 1/4 right here, slightly small for me. So these got the 17 times champion on the left, and then these got flowers on it. Okay. They do got the Iversons, the ones I want for hella cheap. $40 right here. I already have my size, so I'm gonna grab these for my kiddo. He wears an 8 1/2 right now. Wonder if I should get an 8 1/2 or if I should get a size 9 so he could grow into it in a little bit. You know how kids are, they keep growing out of everything. So let me think about it. Jordan releases. This is pretty much all the Jordans they have here. They must have gotten a restock in these because I can't believe they still got these. These are women's. This is a size 11, which is a 9 1/2 men's. I can't believe they still have this here. This is the reverse Laney's. This is fire. That is fire, especially if you're a Golden State fan. I'd definitely grab those. The Wolf Crate 13s. Couple of different ones right here. Regular one right here. The OG one right here. Been meaning to make a difference on the differences. You can tell back here. And then you can also tell on the material. If you ever touch any of the materials, just super different materials. It's 10 times better. You can also see difference on the tongue right there as well. But yeah, man, these $140 for these, $110 for these. Bordeaux 5s, of course. You got the OG lows right here. I'm surprised to see these here. We've seen these being returned at the outlets. Hopefully if you want those, you've been able to find one. Got a 12 right there, the latest 12. Is that the latest 7? Yeah, that's the latest 7 too. Got some comforts right here. These got Zoom Air. These also have some nice materials on them too. And I got some inside out mids right here. All the stitching and stuff like that is different. It's all reversed. Okay. Some new lows right here. Got mids, more mids right here as well. Okay, first of all, I can't even believe they still have these. And then now they're on sale. You have to throw them on sale because they've been available for quite some time. These released, what, I want to say 2 years ago. And they still have a few pairs. These were only released at Shoe Palace. This is Shoe Palace exclusive. The forums. If you look inside, it does say the forum because this was kind of inspired by the original forum. The material is just so nice on these. These are just fire. They used pretty much the Forum 84 leather on those. Those are fire. Shoe Palace exclusive, another Shoe Palace exclusive. I've showed these 100 times. Got him in the black, also got him in the brown. And they used a really nice material on this one. It's a matter if you like the aged midsole. They threw that aged midsole on all of these. Also got the Philly collab as well. It even says Shoe Palace right there. And all of these are only available at Shoe Palace. $120, $100 for these. That's the old price. That's the new price pretty much. And we've been seeing forums on sale. These are the regular forums going for $50. If you want to save a few bucks, not really caring about the material, $50, man, that's what's up. And if you care about material, you could grab these bad boys, especially for hella cheap. Did I knock off the sign? Oh crap. All right, this is the last size 9, so I'm grabbing this one, and then I've been eyeing these forever. I'm gonna see what size they got. This is the Gel Light 3s. These got some nice soft material on them. This is kind of like a Niners colorway unofficially, you know. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, the last size 7.5. That's all they got. Let me throw it back right here. All right, did pay for those. Look at these, $100 for these. This is, I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably gonna end up getting these. All my Air Maxes though, all these start, maybe it's where I keep them. I don't know, I keep it in a temperature controlled room and everything, but all these starting to fog up. All these starting to fog up. Let me know if you guys know how to deal with that. But yeah, $100 for the Air Max 97s. These are freaking fire. These mother lovers been on sale for a cool minute. $70 for those. $140 for the Air Max Plus right here. Deals definitely insane. Everything on sale. These go for 80, 70, 70. These go for 80 as well. All right, let's go check out a few more spots. Can't believe I grabbed these for $40 for my kiddo. These are freaking fire. Need to get a thumbnail though, right? Thumbnail, bam. I swear to God, they pumping that smell out, man. I swear to God, they have like fans, like just pumping. Oh my God, that just smells so good. On Tuesday, I need to go to a few more sheep house for the raffle, so no big deal that I couldn't find these shorts that I needed. All right, let's go check out Foot Locker. I was checking to see if they had the Iversons here, but because I wanted to laugh at people who are just gonna end up paying for more, but they don't even have them. They don't even have a Reebok section here. A lot of Foot Lockers don't even have Reebok sections. I can't believe the disrespect. Sometimes they do shove them right next to some of the Adidas, but not here, not here. They don't have them at all. 574s, normally 95. I can't imagine spending 95 for these. I spent 80 for mine that I bought like a year and a half ago. I did wear them this week. They're freaking comfy and they're just super nice. This one material not as nice, but still go for $95 normally, but at least it's on sale. All these other ones, they still trying to get retail, man. Forget that. Ultra Boost, we've been seeing Ultra Boost going for hella cheap at a lot of locations lately. Adidas Rose 1.5s right there. And of course, we've been seeing the Trae Youngs on sale everywhere. That one's going for regular price right there. Retro fees, if you guys like just regular old school kicks, man, these are comfy as heck. They do have a decent, what is it, heel to toe drop. Like you can even notice it right there, but if you don't mind that, hella comfy. Speaking of surprise, they do got the Jordan 2 right here, the Jordan 2 Responsibility. The materials on these are hella nice, nubuck up top. And then they got suede on the midsole right there. How many shoes have suede on the midsole? That is fire. Look at the inside right there. Got quilted material right there. Just super, super luxurious. That is why it's $225, kind of pricey. And of course, do got the 6s right here. Mids, lows, lows, lows. Got a bunch more mids. And then they do have the 3s right here. Limited sizing, of course, because these have been out for quite some time. $2 for the Palomino 3s. And got some 13s and 14s still. And pretty much all the LeBron 20s on sale. I love the material on these right here. The suede's not even super soft, but you just don't see LeBrons in a suede like that. Like, that is fire. Not even a fan of that colorway, to be honest. I just love that material. Oh, and they're up, they're down, and they're hella down. This is a size 12, so this might be the last size. At the flex stores, whenever they only have 1 or 2 sizes, they drop the price dramatically, and that's probably the case with this. These are a size 12. They do have a 70% off section. Vans shorts. They got some Adidas stuff, like nothing too spicy though. Damn, I forgot to stop by the Pro Image. I was in my head, I was like, I'm gonna stop by Pro Image, and then I forgot. Now I'm in kind of a hurry thing. I gotta meet up with my piece for lunch in like less than 30 minutes. Look at this. Look at this. Ultra Boost 2022s going for $80. That is $100 off. $80 off for those. 80 off for those. And dang, these down to 100. Couple of web boosts. I think all the web boosts. Yeah, all 3 of those web boosts. Dang, that is crazy. Forums, $60 for all those. Not bad. All white ones right there as well. And then all those top 10s going for cheap as well. Oh wait, I missed this one right here. If you like blue, that's cool. If you like these, all of them on sale. Pretty much, dang dude. Pretty much every Ultra Boost going for $100. It's Pretty fire. This is the stuff I'm talking about. This is the stuff I'm talking about. I'm getting mine for $40 and $60, and they're going for $1.20. I grabbed these for $80 overseas, and yeah, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. I bought it from a legit site. I bought it from a retailer. I didn't buy no from a reseller because I don't trust a lot of these sites across the seas, different places. I just don't trust them. But yeah, they got workout pluses, pretty much everything on sale right now. If you don't need anything really like bad, just be patient. Be patient. There's a chance of stuff going on sale because everything is going on sale. Kind of the way things used to be way back when, before the pandemic. Now it's just the real collectors, the real people that really love sneakers. So that's what I'm talking about. 37s down to $90. The hell that is, Delta low. And then first time seeing the 38s right here. These seem legit. I like these. I like the look of these. These look fire. These look way better than the 37s. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't a big fan of 37s. I did get a low just because I got it for $35, but these look super fire. Do have what it seems to be like faux leather, fake leather in the front, but yeah, this looks dope, dude. This looks dope. Yeah, these look way better than 37s. These look fire, dude. All right, these going for what? How much they going for? $2 now, so they did go up in price. Then they got the Luca 2s right here. These bad boys going for $1.30, and then the Zion 2s right here. This is one of the better colorways. I'm not gonna lie. I think this might be the second one, the Voodoo color one. The Voodoo colorway, I think my favorite one, and then this might be the second one. Desert camo type of look. $1.20 for those. Your boy Cool tripping. I almost forgot the 70% off racks. I don't see any. I'm gonna be honest, I walked around this whole spot. They got the Zion Williamson double XL going for 50% off. Got some Nike hoodies and stuff like that. Nothing too crazy though. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, I checked every one of them. 50% off, 25% off. Got the CSG jorts right there. Jorts, jean shorts going for $10. All right, they do got a ton of stuff on sale. Oh, they got way more colorways of the 574s here. I think we saw that West. Was that Westlake or was that one of the other spots? I forgot. No. Was that Westfield? Culver City? I don't know. Where else? I don't know. I just saw one recently. One Champs that had way more 574s on sale. And yeah, they got them here to $60 as opposed to $95. $95 just seems ludicrous for these shoes because they are pretty freaking plain. But $60, not bad. These are some older ones because MSRP are 85. Now they're 95. All right, I got 5 minutes. Let's go. Need to hurry up. All right, this visit gonna be hella quick because the music is so freaking loud. I do not want to get copywritten. Do got sales on the 312s right here, the Legacy 312s. Those were designed by Don C. Don't get no love. Do got the 7s. These have been on sale at the Flex stores. I forgot to show these at Foot Locker. They were, I think, what, $150 or something. Some decent sales right here on Converse. Ultra Boost on sale, not as cheap as Champs. Apparently, if you need Ultra Boost, go to Champs. This is interesting with some denim. Was that denim or is that corduroy? That's kind of interesting. All right, super quick. Nothing that really stands out. All right, let's go. I gotta go have lunch with some peeps. Let's go. All right, this mall packed as hell. All right, this is what this channel is about. $40 for freaking Iversons, especially such a fire colorway. Did get these for my kiddo. Yeah, that's pretty freaking fire, you guys. Make sure you guys help our boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. And I do have a membership program if you guys want to support the channel. Just a few dollars a month. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Make sure you guys look for that join button. I'm pretty sure it's not available on the phone apps. Oh, wait, let me go this way. Yeah, so make sure you guys log on the computer or go on your browser on your phones. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Make sure you guys look that up. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.